Morning, student. Next topic is Kirchhoff laws. There are two laws in the Kirchhoff rule. Kirchhoff first law is otherwise called current rule or junction rule. Then the second law is Kirchhoff second law, otherwise called voltage rule or loop rule. Here, now let me discuss about the Kirchhoff first rule, otherwise called current rule or junction rule. Very important 2 mark question. This is the circuit for the Kirchhoff first rule. Statement of Kirchhoff first rule, it states that the algebraic sum of the currents at any junction of a circuit is 0. Once again repeat, algebraic sum of the currents at any junction of a circuit is 0. This is the very important definition for your 2-mark question. The next point, important point is, it is a statement of conservation of electric charge. This line is very important. Objective question. It is a statement of conservation of electric charge. All the charges that enter a given junction in a circuit must leave that junction, since charge cannot build up or disappear at a junction. Current entering the junction is taken as positive. Very important point. This current entering the junction is taken as positive and current leaving the junction is taken as negative. From this statement, applying this law to the junction A in the figure, junction A, this is the junction A. Applying this law of junction A in the figure, I1 plus I2 minus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0. That means I1 and I2 are entering the junction. Towards to the junction is taken as a positive. I3, I4, I5 current leaving from the junction. Leave from the junction, that is why we can taken as minus. That means negative. So I1 plus total amount of current is nothing but I1 plus I2 taken as a positive. I3, I4, I5 is nothing but minus. So the equation can be written as I1 plus I2 minus I3 minus I4 minus I5 is equal to 0. Or the equation, rearrange this equation, we obtain I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4 plus I5. Then Kirchhoff second rule is nothing but voltage rule or loop rule. The statement of Kirchhoff second rule is nothing but, in a closed circuit, the algebraic sum of the product of the current and resistance of each part of the circuit is equal to the total EMF included in the circuit. Very important 2-mark question. It states that in a closed circuit, so condition is, second rule condition is, circuit should be closed. In a closed circuit, the algebraic sum of the products of the current and resistance of each part of the circuit is equal to the total EMF included in the circuit. The explanation is, this rule follows from the law of conservation of energy for an isolated system. The energy supplied by the EMF source is equal to the sum of the energy delivered to all resistors. The next important point, the product of the current and resistance is taken as a positive when the direction of the current is followed. Suppose if the direction of the current is opposite to the direction of the loop, then product of current and voltage across the resistor is negative. It is shown in the figure 2.4 for A and B. This is positive, going from A to B. Going from B to A means opposite direction. That is taken as a negative. It is shown in the figure. The EMF is considered positive when proceeding from the negative to the positive terminal of the cell. It's shown in the figure C and D. This is EMF. Based on the EMF still, EMF is considered positive when the proceeding from the negative to the positive terminal of the cells. It is shown in the figure 2.424 C and D. The last important point is Kirchhoff voltage rule has to be applied only when all the current in the circuit reaches steady state condition. Very, very important absolute question. Once again repeat. Kirchhoff voltage rule has to be applied only when all currents in the circuit reach a steady state condition. The current is various branches are constant. The current in various branches are constants. Once again repeat the statement of Kirchhoff first law. The algebraic sum of the current at any junction of a circuit is 0. This is a statement of first law. Then second law statement is in a closed circuit, the condition is closed circuit, the algebraic sum of the product of the current and the resistance of each part of the circuit is equal to the total EMF included in the circuit. Thank you.